I'll be sharing with you a mother and son conversation and attempt to learn the Yoruba language in this video. So, the mother calling the son, Kolawole, and then the son responds, ma, ma. If a mother is calling a child, the child is expected to respond with ma. If it's the father, it will be sa. That is the culture, not yes or it's ma or sa. So, the mother said, wa, which is come. Come, wa, come. And then the son said, bo, which is I am coming. I am coming. Bo. This represents present, like ing in English. Bo. So I'm coming. This is I. Bo. The is most of the time just used to, it's a nasal sound. You just pronounce it with your nose. Bo. Different. So bo. Then the mother said, kini, which is what? Kini she. O is the pronoun of the child. What are you doing? Kini she is do. Kini she. Kini she. Kini she. This one is I'm coming. I'm coming. So kini she. Kini she. And then the son's response, shere ninu ogba. Ninu is in. Ogba is garden. Ogba is garden. So shere ninu ogba. Shere ninu ogba. Shere. Shere is play. Shere ninu ogba. So here is similar that it's currently going on. So shere ninu ogba. Shere ninu ogba. And then the mother says, bossibi. Like bossibi is like a command. Bossibi, like come here. Like, of course, it's like come is wa. Actually, in that kind of, you can say wa. But of course, the bossibi is another way of commanding, like with another fierce tone. Like maybe the child is reluctant to come. You can say, because the child is saying shere ninu ogba. Like I'm playing in the garden. I'm saying bossibi. So it's like come here. So bossibi. And then the son is kind of like, oh, like children. So the mother now responds, because the child responds like that, like oh ni ironu. Ironu is like thinking, like someone who thinks. Like so ni is have. O is the pronoun of the child. O is what we used to say don't. O is what we used to say don't. Of course, we also use ma for don't, depending on the context. If we use ma, the next one that will come is verb, like ma lo, don't go. Ma jeun, don't eat. But of course, in this one, simple sentence, it is o that we use. I can say mi o ni. Won o ni ironu. They don't have understanding, or they don't really think deep. So the mother is now telling the son now that o ni ironu. Ironu is the heart of thinking. Like the child is saying oh to the mother. O ni ironu. You don't have thinking faculty, or you don't have understanding. And he said, of course, it's something that is common that mothers say to their children. It's not really a negative, it's not accepted as a negative connotation. Just like a child doesn't really have ironu in the first place, too. A child doesn't have the faculty to think deep. So that's just what the mother is saying. Oh ni ironu. Wa lora. Wa, come, buy. Wa lo is go. Wa is come. Like wa lora. That's another way that Yoruba use words. So wa lora, come and buy. Come and buy. Wa lora elo is groceries. Ni at oja, market. Wa lora elo ni oja. 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 So o ni ironu. Wa lora elo ni oja. Wa lora elo ni oja. And then the son responds, doesn't want to go. He's a reluctant son. Ojo is day. Ojo ti lo. Like day has gone. That's what Yoruba used to say. Day has gone. T is as or have. Lo is go. So ọjọ́ ti lọ, day has gone or they have gone. When it comes to English language, Yoruba language, English actually go. Gone is gotten from go. Went is also gotten from go. So all those past tense that English has in Yoruba, it still retains its base form. That even though it is went or gone, it is still Yoruba will still use go. Go. Like there's one form of verb in Yoruba. If it's past or present, Yoruba is not going to change. English can change water to watering. Like English can say close to closing. They can say close to closed. Just to talk about the tense with the verb. But Yoruba just says one. So that's why you will still see law here. But of course, this T will actually make us know that it should be gone in English. It should be gone in English. But in Yoruba, it is go. So, ọjọ́ ti lọ, day has gone. And that's how Yoruba used to say time has, like you want to say time has gone. You say, ọjọ́ ti lọ, ọjọ́ ti lọ, ọjọ́ ti lọ. Like it's the context will determine the meaning. If you say ọjọ́ ti lọ at work, that means time has gone. If you say ọjọ́ ti lọ, maybe just like this in the case of this child saying ọjọ́ ti lọ, that means it's almost night and the child doesn't want to go out again. Like ọjọ́ ti lọ, that is the day has gone or time has gone as well. So the context will determine if it's time or the day. So ọjọ́ ti lọ, the child doesn't want to go. And then his mother said there's something common with Yoruba mothers. When the child is behaving in a way, they try to abuse the father's side of the family. That okay, it's your father's people that are behaving like this, or like the way you are behaving to your father people that behave like this, or things like that. Just say it's not it's not something that they take as something bad. It's just a form of jest, form of making joke actually, not as if they are not friendly with the family or so. So the mother say ní ilé àwọn bàbá ẹ̀, like in your father's house. Ní ilé àwọn bàbá ẹ̀, in your father's house. And then the mother say jáde, like get out. Like this is actually contingent on this. The son say ọjọ́ ti lọ, and the mother now complete it for the son. In your father's house, in the house of your fathers. Like because àwọn bàbá is like the father's family and the likes. So the son say ọjọ́ ti lọ, and then the mother say ní ilé àwọn bàbá ẹ̀, ní ilé àwọn bàbá ẹ̀, that is in your father's house. And they say jáde, like just go to where I send you. Jáde is get out actually. So that's just what this is. It's just about a reluctant son and a tough mother as well, who's not going to accept laziness in a way. So let me just go over it again. Kọ́láwọlé máa wá, mò ń bọ̀, mò ń bọ̀. Kí ni ò ń ṣe? What are you doing? Kí ni ò ń ṣe? Mò ń ṣeré nínú ọgbà. Mò ń ṣeré nínú ọgbà. I'm playing in the garden. Mò ń ṣeré nínú ọgbà. I'm playing in the garden. Bọ́ síbí, get here. Or come here. The son, oh. Mother, oh ní ìrònú. Oh ní ìrònú. You don't have thinking faculty. Wá lọ ra èlò ní ọjà. Wá lọ ra èlò ní ọjà. Come buy groceries at the market. Son, ọjọ́ ti lọ. Day has gone or time has gone. Ọjọ́ ti lọ. And then the mother responds, nílé àwọn bàbá ẹ̀, in your father's house. In your father's house. Jáde, get out. So that is what this is. So if you want to answer some things on this, you can say, I can ask you and put it in this comment section and say, níbo ni ọmọ ti ń ṣeré? Níbo ni ọmọ ti ń ṣeré? I will not tell you the meaning of what I said. You can just research it yourself and put the answer in the comment below. So you will see the answer here. So just like a question on this. Níbo ni ọmọ ti ń ṣeré? Níbo ni ọmọ ti ń ṣeré? Or níbo ni Kọ́láwọlé ti ń ṣeré? Níbo ni Kọ́láwọlé ti ń ṣeré? So that is question number 1. So kí ni Kọ́láwọlé ò ní? Kí ni Kọ́láwọlé ò ní? There's something that in this statement that says it doesn't have, Kọ́láwọlé doesn't have. So number 2 question, Kí ni Kọ́láwọlé ò ní? Kí ni Kọ́láwọlé ò ní? So, and then third question, níbo ni ọjọ́ ti lọ? Níbo ni ọjọ́ ti lọ? According to this, conversation, níbo ni ọjọ́ ti lọ? Níbo ni ọjọ́ ti lọ? So, there's a place that ọjọ́ ti lọ in this, and then you have to tell me where. Put it in the comment section as well. And so that's what I want to teach you in this particular lesson of Learn Yoruba Online. I'll hopefully see you in subsequent videos. And if what you want is a private lesson, of course, you can reach out to me at learnyorubaonline@gmail.com and we'll fix it. Thank you.